Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome from Frankfurt, Germany to the review and unboxing of the new GoPro Hero 9 Black dual battery charger plus an extra battery. So here's the box itself. Make sure it's just compatible with the new GoPro Hero 9. So you can't use this charger or the included battery for your GoPro Hero 8, 7, 6, 5 or less. Nothing special here on the box. And I guess since GoPro has released this battery with the new charger this year, it probably will be for the next 2 or 3 GoPro generations. I'm not sure about that. That's just my thoughts about the new battery. So that's the dual charger. As you can see, you can charge 2 batteries simultaneously. You have 2 LEDs here at the top. At the side, you have the USB-C plug. And the build quality itself is pretty robust, and I guess it will last for a couple years if you're not messing it up too much or if you lose it. Really nice that GoPro puts in an extra USB-C cable, which is also included once you purchase the camera. And here's the extra battery with its 1720 milliamperes. I can highly recommend you this power bank here. It features a USB Type-C output and a USB Type-A output with power delivery, 45 watts with the USB Type-C port and 15 watts using the USB Type-A port, which helps you to charge the battery even faster than you would expect. So this power bank here charges my iPad 12 Pro 12.9 inches within 2 hours. That is pretty impressive. I think it's not recommended to charge the batteries too quick, to be honest. But if you don't have any time, let's say you're recording a wedding or you're on safari and needs to be quick, I can highly recommend to get this power bank. Link is in the video description below. So once again, I would like to show you how that looks like. Plug in these 2 batteries, attach it to the power bank, and then we should be able to see 2 LEDs. And there they are. Once it's finished to charge them, they turn green. If you charge a battery using the USB-C port of your GoPro, it takes about 2 hours and 5 minutes. And with this power bank and using the dual charge, it goes even quicker. I guess it's 1.5 hours. So thanks for your undivided attention. If you have any further questions, please make sure to leave a comment under this video and see you next time. Bye bye.